Let's get this straight. These passive income ideas are just that. Passive income ideas, that's it. No, I haven't done all these ideas, and yes, some of these ideas are just side hustles, and some are easily turned into full-on businesses. This is a 3-part series, and in this video, we're just going to go over the 10 passive income ideas that I love. But before we get started,
allow me to reintroduce
my name is
myself.
Devon Put Work Burke, the wealth builder himself. And if you love content like this and talking about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business, then go ahead and subscribe to this channel and like this video. All right, so we're gonna start off with number 1. Rent out a room. Preferably not in your house, but you can do this in your house. Now, this is not my favorite passive income, but it's a simple way to create passive income. I personally would only rent a room to a person that I've known for years, or I've done a thorough background check on, because there's a lot of weirdos out here nowadays. Or I will buy a home to make into a pad split home. If you want to know more about that, then check out the link in the description. A pad split, basically, it's a platform to help you start passive income business with a home that you purchased in a city atmosphere, suburban atmosphere that you want to, make into like a rental room. Again, the link is in the description. Number 2, affiliate marketing. This passive income right here can absolutely change your life financially. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's where you sign up to an offer as an affiliate, then you make videos and post about that product and direct your following to check out the product. You can do a lot of different things with affiliate marketing. It's all up to you, okay? Listen, the sky's the limit with affiliate marketing, and personally, I've used it to make a lot of money over these years, and I know you can do the same. Number 3, dividend investing. Another favorite passive income of mine. This is one of the simplest ways to build passive income on autopilot. You literally can buy stock that pays a dividend, aka a payout of money every 3 months. This will be a certain percentage of what the stock is worth, and it's called a dividend yield. For example, if a company has a $20 share price and pays a dividend of $1 per year, its dividend yield would be 5%. Now, I wouldn't advise you to get with a dividend paying stock that only pays $1 per year. That's not worth it, but you get the gist. And you can buy dividend paying stocks from any stock purchasing platform. I personally use Webull and Stash App. So go ahead and check that out. All links in the description, like I always say. All right, so number 4, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending is a good one because you don't have to sell anyone on the product because it's money. Who doesn't like money, right? I don't know nobody that don't like money, basically. And no, I'm not talking about sending people money through Cash App or Venmo or any other way, right? Zelle, anything like that, and hoping they pay back with interest. No, I'm not talking about that. Nothing like that. Not even a little bit. All right? I'm talking about signing up with a platform like Prosper or Lending Club and investing at least $25, and you will get passive income from that investment. Now, the percentage of that investment has to be figured out through the platform you choose, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, some platforms pay 5%, 3%, 10%. It all depends who you sign up with and invest your money with, but do your research, okay? Next up, we got number 5, sell an online course. All right, so are you knowledgeable in a certain niche? Like, Are you a certified chef or hairdresser or personal trainer, or maybe you know how to fix cars, or maybe you're a Spanish language teacher? Either way, whatever you're really good at, you can use that skill and create a online course. There are a bunch of different platforms out there you can use to sell your course on. You would have to do your research and decide for yourself. Okay, so but it's definitely a good way to make some income passively online. 6, sell an ebook. I know, right? Ebooks are so old school, right? Oh my God, ebooks. Why would I sell an ebook? Listen, ebooks are still selling, believe it or not. But you got to put some effort, okay? You can easily create one online, or you can pay someone through a site like Upwork or Fiverr or I think Elance to do the heavy lifting for you, then sell it through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and good old YouTube. Speaking of YouTube, we're going to move on to number 7. Start a YouTube channel. Now, obviously, this is my favorite passive income of all, right? How could you tell? Right? I'm a big advocate for starting a YouTube channel. And as we know, YouTube has its ups and downs like any other social media or video site, right? But it's still one of the top ways to create passive income. The reason being, you can actually create a video on YouTube and get multiple streams of income. Okay, it's not just a one-trick pony, you know? Listen, one video can be a brand deal where they pay you for that video, anywhere between whatever you choose to whatever they want to pay, right? Basically, it can get enough traffic to pay through Google AdSense because of the ads on the video, and you can put affiliate products in the description box, okay? Click the description below, right? Your viewers can click below, sign up to one of those offers, and there are also other ways to build passive income through YouTube, like memberships to your channel, super fan payments, and a whole bunch more. Okay? It's one of those multifaceted ways of making income online. I have a video about the 10 streams of income through YouTube in the description below. All right? Number 8, drop shipping store. This is another way to make money, right? Another great way to make money passively from doing work and getting paid for it while you sleep, or, at your job, or with your kids, or just out partying, whatever you're doing, right? You still can get paid while you're doing that, all right? So drop shipping is a form of retail business where the seller accepts customer orders, aka payments, without keeping stock on hand. Instead, in a form of supply chain management, the seller transfers the orders and their shipment details either to the manufacturer, a wholesaler, another retailer, or a fulfillment house, which then ships the goods directly to the customer. The retailer is responsible for marketing and selling a product, but has little or no control over the product quality, storage, inventory management, or shipping. Okay, so keep that in mind. By doing this, it eliminates the cost of maintaining warehouses or even a storefront, purchasing and storing inventory, none of that stuff, right? And employing necessary staff for such functions, okay? As in any form of retail, the seller makes profit on the difference between an item's wholesale and retail price, less any pertinent selling, merchant, or shipping fees accruing against them. Okay? That's a full definition of drop shipping from Wikipedia, okay? Wikipedia. Now, in basic terms, you find a product that is sold at wholesale price. You sell it for a retail price online on a platform like Shopify or what have you, and your profit is the difference in the price of the product minus shipping costs. Okay? Simple. So if a product costs $20 from a wholesaler, you sell it for $100 to a customer, and you pay shipping for $10 to that customer, you have a $70 markup. That's pretty much how it goes. Okay? Now, number 9, buy a profitable app. This is different, but I love different. I've never purchased a profitable app and just made money off of it passively, but it definitely does seem profitable and interesting. You can buy apps for sale on sites like Flipper.com and Smurgers.com. The link is in the description, okay, if you want more information on that. Number 10, buy a profitable website. This is around the same as buying a profitable app. You can go on Flipper.com and check all that information out. Okay, I have not done either one of those, but it definitely seems very lucrative if you do it right. Again, so with that being said, if you do things right, you got to do your research, okay? Your research is everything. Research what you are going to do before you do it. Don't just jump in head first or 2 feet in and not sure what, how you're going to make money or how you're going to spend your money. You don't want to get into that black hole, okay? So make sure that you do your research before you spend your money or start a new venture of any kind. Again, with that being said, man, check out the link in the description. All the links I discussed in this video will be on the wealthbuilders.com blog. That's the link down below. Learn more about the Wealth Builders movement and what we offer. Okay, we definitely offer ways to get business credit, business loans. If you want to help other people get business credit and business loans, I can help you do that. Man, all links down below, as I keep saying, repeatedly. All right, so thanks for watching. It's the man, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work. Signing off for the ultimate list of 30 passive income ideas, part 1. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.